Hey guys, it's Jeff with voiceapps.com. Today I'm going to show you an exciting new feature that we've added to the platform. Currently we support monetization, as you know, and we support one-time purchases as well as subscription purchases where you can charge your members monthly or yearly to access premium content. So now we have a new feature that we're releasing called Consumables. What Consumables allows you to do is, for example, if you have some kind of game and you have extra lives, or you have healing potions, or you have arrows, or things that are replenishable and that are consumable, you can now let users buy a pack of healing potions, for example, and they can use those healing potions up, and then when they're done, they can buy another set of healing potions, And the difference between that and a one-time purchase is that a one-time purchase, you just buy it one time. It's done, and now you have access to it, kind of for the rest of the time. So it's similar to a subscription model where you're giving access to premium content, and the difference being that it's not a recurring fee. Consumables, you can purchase multiple times, and the quantity of the consumable is managed by the skill developer. So the user buys one pack of something, and then the skill can say that that pack has 10 items in it, for example, and then the skill keeps track of how many items have actually been used out of that pack. And so I put together a demo skill for you. This is a wizard duel type of skill. So it's going to be a wizard against a wizard. Your opponent's going to, shoot fireballs and magic missiles and thunder waves and things like that at you, and then you're going to be able to cast your own spells back. And essentially, at the end, when your health gets low, you're able to buy a pack of potions, a pack of 5 potions, and use those potions to heal yourself. They're healing potions, and you can heal yourself, and hopefully you can win the game. So I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of the skill and how it works within voice apps, and then we don't support the monetization path within our online test console. So I'll do the demo actually on a real device so that you can see how that works. So here I'm going to zoom in a little bit. We just have kind of the standard welcome blocks and stuff. But the main part of the game is kind of right here, what I'm showing you here. So essentially the opponent has a turn, and in there we're going to, and you can see that over here, we're going to, in the data tab, we're going to generate a random number, 1, 2, or 3. If it's 1, we're going to shoot a freezing sphere. If it's 2, we're going to shoot a thunder wave. If it's 3, we're going to shoot an acid splash spell at you. And there's different descriptions of that. We actually have some sound effects in here for each one of those responses. So we're using a freezing sphere response here, or audio player here. And then same for the thunder wave, and same for acid splash. And then at the end of that, we're going to do a health check. That's just going to actually deduct the quantity from the player when the opponent hits you, and then determine if they're dead or not. And if you're dead, then it'll start the game over. After that, it's going to actually be the player's turn. So the player turn is going to be very similar. In this case, you'll choose with your voice whether you want to do a fireball, a magic missile, or lightning. And depending on which spell you choose, it'll give kind of a description along with an audio sound effect of that spell. And then similarly, once we're done, casting the spell, we'll check stats. We'll look to determine if the opponent has been killed, and if they have, then we'll give you an end game. If not, it'll loop back and go to the opponent's turn again. The part that actually does the healing potion part is when it's the player's turn. You can either cast one of these 3 spells, or you can, say, use a healing potion if your health gets low. When you try to use the healing potion, if you don't have any healing potions, which is the case when you first start the game, then it'll go to the buy healing potion automatically. And you can see that right here. So in the next actions, if our number of healing potions is less than or equal to 0, then we're going to do a buy in skill product. And we're going to buy a pack of 5 healing potions. So if I click on Manage Products and I go look at our pack of 5 healing potions that we've created, you can see that the only difference between this and a one-time purchase or a recurring subscription type purchase is that the payment frequency is consumable. So we have one-time, consumable, monthly, and yearly. If we pick one-time, then we don't have any units and we don't have a trial period. If we pick monthly or yearly, then we would be able to enter a trial period. And if we pick consumable, instead of a trial period, we have a number of units. So in this case, I've chosen 5 for the number of units, and that means our pack of potions has 5 in it, and then our skill is actually going to keep track of how many units we've purchased and how many units we've consumed. And so the difference being how many we have left, how many we have remaining. So let me cancel out of this, and then I'll show you that. What we do here is when we buy the healing potion, we will get the buy healing potion accept. That'll come back from Alexa, and we'll get the buy healing potion accept intent will get executed. And then in here, we're going to recheck and re-verify the in-skill product, and we're going to send the execution back to the player turn. And in the player turn block, we are going to recalculate the healing potions variable, and the healing potions variable is going to be the difference between the healing potions that we've purchased minus the healing potions that we've used. And so every time we purchase another pack, the verify in-skill product here is going to figure out how many products that we've purchased, how many times we've purchased this pack of consumables, how many are in the consumable pack, multiply those together, and set our healing potions used variable equal to the total. So if I bought 2 packs and there's 5 units per pack for that product, then I would have 10 that have been purchased. So the healing potions purchase variable would be set to 10. And then in our skill, we're keeping track every time I use a potion, every time I use a potion here, we're keeping track of how many healing potions that I've used. So, and then we calculate the difference, which is our healing potions variable, which is the difference between how many we've purchased and how many we've used. So I hope that makes sense. So let's go ahead and let's do a demo of the skill. And essentially, you'll start off, you'll do a duel, you're battling against another wizard, and when our health gets low, we're going to actually buy a pack of 5 healing potions. We'll use those to keep ourselves alive, and hopefully we'll win the battle. So let's get started. Alexa, open Battle Royale.
Welcome to Battle Royale. It's wizard against wizard in this epic battle. Use the right spells and manage your health if you want to win. Your next battle will begin immediately. A frigid globe of cold energy streaks from your opponent's fingertips. You only have time to close your eyes as the globe explodes in front of you, sending piercing cold through your body. The sphere did 19 damage, leaving you with 31 health. It's your turn. Which spell would you like to use? You can say Fireball, Magic Missile, or Lightning.
Fireball.
With staff in one hand, you wave your hands in a circular motion, bringing them together in front of you. A ball of fire forms and flies off towards your opponent as you extend your arms. The fireball hits your opponent, engulfing him in flames for a moment and doing 9 damage. Your opponent has 91 health and you have 31 health. Your opponent waves his hand and a greenish bubble flies at you, hitting you directly in the chest. The bubble bursts open and burning acid covers your body. The searing pain is intense for a moment and then quickly subsides. The sphere did 12 damage, leaving you with 19 health. You should probably use a healing potion or the next blow may kill you. Say use healing potion to heal yourself.
Use healing potion.
Pack of 5 healing potions is 99 cents plus tax. Would you like to buy it?
Yes.
Great. You now have pack of 5 healing potions. You should probably use a healing potion or the next blow may kill you. Say use healing potion to heal yourself.
Use healing potion.
You consume the healing potion and feel rejuvenated throughout your body. You have 4 healing potions left. You now have 39 health. Your opponent has 91 health and you have 39 health. A wave of thunderous force sweeps out from your opponent. The force hits you and knocks you backwards to the ground. You wince in pain as you quickly get back up. The force did 20 damage, leaving you with 19 health. You should probably use a healing potion or the next blow may kill you. Say use healing potion to heal yourself.
Use healing potion.
You consume the healing potion and feel rejuvenated throughout your body. You have 3 healing potions left. You now have 39 health. Your opponent has 91 health and you have 39 health.
Okay, so I won't continue the entire game. In fact, I'd love for you guys to play this and let us know what you think, and specifically let us know about these consumables and what you think and how you think that you might use them in your own game. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.